Good morning, beautiful friends. Welcome back to my hydrangea nursery. Actually, yeah, I can name her that because this section only is only hydrangeas without me making no propagation yet or me bringing no hydrangeas this year yet on this section. I bring 22 or 21 hydrangea at home for this season, for this spring season, but here I didn't bring nothing yet. I mean, of course, it's going to be more. That's what I did, fix thing. That way I have space. If I want to have a whole range of hydrangeas, I can make a whole range of hydrangeas. And if I want to make a whole one over there, I can do that. That's the reason I did all that. Good. I feel like, let me see, those hydrangeas guys don't like the sun. I think I'm going to remove them to a different section. Yeah, I'm gonna remove them to a different section where they can get sun. Because they need to be happy. Right there, they're not doing nothing. And I know they're not dying is because the front one give leaves. Push out leaves is the back one. I think I'm gonna bring them on the front right here. I'm gonna make another range of hydrangeas right there. Maybe they can get shade here. But I feel like bringing them over here, there's no shade. The shade doesn't come here. The sun doesn't come here at all. It's the same thing over there. I think I need to bring them over there. And if I put them right here, it's gonna be too much sun. I need to bring them over there, move those spots, put them over there. I think this is where they can get the sun they need. I didn't want to work on the garden, guys. I'm exhausted. My body hurts. I've been working on the garden a lot. Yes. Thank you, friends, for watching. Let me go move those flowers somewhere else they can get sun. Thank you. Have a blessed day.